Weight loss and cardio workout plans can help you reach your goals to shed those extra pounds. Although many people would prefer to forget exercise altogether, the most effective way to lose weight is to combine a healthy diet with regular cardiovascular activity. Keep in mind that your cardio workout should be something that you practice consistently and, if possible, that you enjoy. So, how do you go about establishing a solid weight loss and cardio plan that suits you and your lifestyle? Take a moment to consider how much time you can dedicate to working out, how in shape or out of shape you are, what kinds of activities you enjoy or don't mind doing, and your final goals. If your biggest obstacle in terms of exercise is squeezing in the time to do it, then your best bet might be an elliptical trainer, stationary exercise machine, that really gets your heart rate up and allows you to burn a lot of calories in a short period of time. An elliptical trainer simulates walking or running, but it lessens pressure on the joints, which can cause injuries. You can choose your level of intensity, and most people who are just starting out will only do a couple of minutes at a time. As you continue to exercise consistently, you will be able to gradually increase how many minutes you work out each session. If you have more time and/or if you find the machines boring, you can try an aerobics class, boxing, kickboxing, swimming, or other more stimulating activities. If you prefer to be outside for your activity, you can try walking or jogging. It's really important that you choose something that you like for your regular activity. This is not something that you should practice only when you're trying to lose weight, but something that you should be able to maintain as part of your lifestyle, maybe in a less intensive way than when you are in a weight loss phase. You can also switch your exercise routine around a little bit every day to provide some variety. Or, if you walk or run for your exercise, go a different route every day. If you find that you aren't yet in good enough shape to do a cardio workout, start out with something very small and work your way up. Just make sure you are doing something. Dedicating even just 5 to 10 minutes each day to some kind of activity is better than not doing anything at all. Remember that this is all a process that will allow you to start losing weight effectively and maintain a lifestyle that includes healthy eating and activity. Consider parking at the end of the parking lot when you go to stores, or getting up walking around during commercials while watching your favorite television program. All of these small things can get you results with your weight loss and cardio plan. If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and for more video like this, please click the notification bell. Thank you for watching.